Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay and happy Earth Day. Today is Happy Earth Day, so celebrate the Earth that we have got. We've, just like our lives, we've only got one Earth. So I have a palette that I bought a while back, and fitting for today, it is called the Earth Palette. So what better day to play with this bad boy is Earth Day itself. Earth Day, Earth Palette, it's a good match. So the Earth Palette, it's from Charlie Betty Beauty. Now this I found on Instagram. It's been featured in my Instagram Made Me Right video, part 2. And I just haven't got around to playing with it yet. I've got this palette and I've got a lipstick. So I will show you what's inside. As soon as I seen the colours in this, I was like, that I need in my life. Check out those colours. They just scream me. I just can't wait to get stuck into it. This yellow, which is a Saturn. Wow. The company is 90% recyclable. Well, the packaging is 90% recyclable. The company is 100% vegan and cruelty free. So what better company to buy from than Charlie Betty Beauty? So this is what we're going to do today, and I'm going to get stuck into it. It is quite hot though. I don't really want to open the window, so I have a trusted fan because I don't want to plug in a electric one because it makes too much noise. So I may have to cool down a few times during this video because I'm already a bit too moist. So let's get stuck into it. Amazing person, Charlie. I've messaged her. Well, we've had a few conversations over the past couple of months. She as a person is lovely. Charlie Betty Beauty as a company is amazing, and I can't wait to see where they go in the future. It would be great if they could bring out like other elements. This is the Earth. They could have like fire, wind, and rain. Are they like elements? I don't know, like the other opposites of Earth. So I'm gonna shut up and get stuck into it. Don't know where. I haven't planned this look. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I know it's going to be a green because some of those greens are shouting my name. So first, I'm going to go in with the darkest green. Do I want to go in the darkest green? Oh, I am sorry, I'm going to butcher these names. Gaia, G-A-I-A, which is this one, this darkest brown, which I'm just going to pop into both of the centres of the lids. So I've added that green. I did find it a bit tricky, but I think it's because this time I decided to use primer on the eyes, and that is something that I never do. I've been watching a few videos lately, and they've applied primer onto the eyes, and I was like, you know what, I haven't actually tried it, and I wish I didn't because I think it's the primer that I used. But the colour is going on amazingly. I can get it to stick. I mean, like, the issue is that I'm having is I can't seem to blend it. It's just sticking where I put it, which is good, but I kind of wanted it a bit more smoky. But I reckon now I've got the one colour down, I'll be able to blend it a bit more with other colours. So bear that in mind. I am going to go in with, why am I struggling with these names? Patchouli, which is this green. I'm going to use that to try and smoke out the outside. I am loving the way that's blending. As soon as I put it down, I was like, I love this colour, is amazing. And yes, it seems to be blending fine with the colour underneath, so that makes me feel like it's 100% the primer that I used. Yeah, that works brilliantly. So I kind of want to brighten up the inner corners, and I have my eyes set on Saturn. So I'm going to take Saturn, which is this yellow colour, and take it onto the inner corners. I am loving that. That is blending perfectly. So now I'm going to follow the yellow underneath the eye, but only halfway through across. Halfway through across? Is that even like a sentence? I hope you know what I mean. Oh, that's amazing. Then I want to do a bit more blending here. So I'm going to take period dot. I think that's period dot. Period dot. Is it? I am butchering that. Yeah, I'm going to take that and then just use that colour. No, I want to blend out the top green, so I'm going to use period dot, whatever that word is, and then blend this up here. Then I'm taking the same green underneath the eyelash eye to see if I can add a bit more blendiness to that. Oh, that is amazing. I love green on my eyes. I'm just loving the way that's turning out. So now for the shimmers. Decisions. So you've got bedrock. There's ivy. There's Fool's Gold. And Capricorn. I do like this Capricorn actually. It's just like it looks purple in the pan, but it's got like a green shift to it. So I don't know whether to go in with that. No, I'm going to go in Bedrock and then maybe put a bit of Capricorn on top. So now, over the yellow that I put in the corner, I'm going to use that Fool's Gold shimmer on top of that just to make it a bit poppy. Ooh. I found another shimmer. Honeysuckle. Oh wait, is that a shimmer? Oh, why didn't I see that before? I've got grubby fingers now. It's like rubbish swatches. It's like a soft yellow. I am loving that. That is amazing. You know what? This shifting Capricorn, I'm going to place a bit onto the centre eye. I'm going to clean my fingers and then use my fingers. Oh my god, that's amazing. Can you see that? Compared to this one, it's that transformed it. I mean, like in the pan, it looks purple, but as soon as you put it on, in this, I mean, like my eyes are shut, but can you see the difference? Look at that. That I love that. I kind of want to take a bit underneath the brow bone. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, well, I need to stop playing around with that because I'm going to end up wrecking it. So, I love my eyes. I'm going to go off camera to do my lashes, mascara, bronzer, all that jazz, and then I shall meet up with you for the lips. So, BRB. So, I'm back. I've done the mascara, done all my blush and highlighter, added a bit of sparkle. So now I'm going to go in with the lips. Now, they haven't brought out a green one, so tip to you, Charlie, green lipstick. Any coming anytime soon? This is the matte liquid lipstick in a shade Penny. They have 3 shades. They have this one, they have a red one, and I think it's like a pinky shade nude. They've not long brought it out, so this was the first one they brought out. So let's get into it. Ooh. So lips are done, and I'm loving that combo. These greens are on my eyes. I am in love. So the Earth palette, I would highly recommend. I think the price is £28 at full price, but today, because it is Earth Day, she's got 22% off, which is £21 and a couple of pence. So if you are watching this today on the, I think it's the 22nd. It's today the 22nd. Whatever day I post this, if you're watching it and you want to grab this, there's 21%. Or is it the 21st? Because there's 21%. Did I say 22%? Okay, it's either 21% off on the 21st of April or there's 22% off on the 21st or 22nd of April. Either way, there's a discount today when I'm posting this video. This is a great combo. I am loving this. I'm obsessed. Oh, I don't think I've been this happy over a palette in a while. If you've been watching my journey on makeup, this is a really good look for me. It has turned out great. I'm not a makeup artist in no way, shape or form. I just love playing around with makeup. So that is the look that I've created. I am in love. This lipstick, it's not sticky, it's on there. I had to put 2 layers on, but other than that, not an issue. Not going to talk about any of the other products because it's not related to Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown? Oh my god, I apologise. Charlie Betty Beauty. So yes, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you've already got this palette, then please leave a green heart down below. And hopefully I shall see you all in the next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.